Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching ebusuafo SKB ekasade ma NPP amayohu no na o kire se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be president no o ka kire Ghana mebu se obi create jobs amomo into the 24-hour economy ba ampa Ghana fu gina so e de kwato ababum ma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama because 24-hour economy no three shifts Ghana for year who be that nti amana youth ni jibu to abapa because on ba be adwuma ye Mahama baya oko 2 years 24-hour economy o se yefa ye ntwa aseni ebusia for excuse me asem na na maka no is that John Dramani Mahama ejina ni so pani a wata ono ofi ye yo Ghana for nyamu ni papa do obeya ntisa no to eburo wo kwan ho na Ghana for kai president we do obre no ho ase bo no okrekre mo frame no mo fra so sa na 4 years na so 24-hour economy no ye nde ene ochina His Excellency John Dramani Mahama who promise me 24-hour economy as a training say adwuma 3 shifts anapa ewie yimbi na institution ba kwa Ghana hanoma 3 shifts na koso pa health ministry enso agena 111 na hospitals are enye complete Ghana hana youth ni bufie Inti clear say and that na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de ebre Ghana for na ye meti o ka kire so obesi market na se busia otena se na ho dwen ho say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so obesi market edwa o obesi dwa na ye de 24-hour economy na wo ye Ghana ni abisa ho say identikwa na yakopon bo wo beto o man Ghana na mfom so kra say nyame de wo beto o man Ghana adenti na president wa Ghana youth boss wo bro mo adwuma no mo aye wo the 24-hour economy aba na 24-hour economy also be market me Ghana for adru no mo de aye mo na nsem na wo ka no mo nti ana asem mo ayi mo ani se NDC party na mo penti mo ayi mo ani NDC aba mo ko 2 years nothing could be adwuma no ye hu hwe market won tade almost inflation na ba single digit na man so ye hu hwe dollar rate ni gina 12 so nothing ene ye gu ha na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama e my aunties na ye yende SKB say ahemfofo na mo akasa so mo gi scan wo si market ma mo a hospitals zo anya complete adwene ye adwuma yenti nsema SKB e de etubia
nanka wo ye badwene baye nyansafo na president wo bedi akunya wahye bose 133 the name 133 ne adwuma market enya adwuma market enya adwuma market fashion otrim se wo ye babu no bia no na hemfo no masem mobo ana hemfo ni bi no masem ye me ya se mote ho ne yesi agenda 11 project ho ne ye complete no asamba no abre 1000 Ghana di machi ya sha imblapum di abre ho na menko kate sword no otutu ntuma kuntunkunu no adi na tieko no da sokobɔ fom adanya obesi market na wani age wo yare ya akɔ market wo kɔja yare sabia se wo yare ya na one complete no wo yare na da ho a no akɔda market ho edwom ho koduru a no akɔda ho wuduru dwom ho a wo da ho a wo si 24-hour economy market yi sam yare na sa yare efi se wutini ho wo ye wo hene a wutini ho na mum so firi asese wo ba no ana hemfo ni firi asese eyenkwase asem na okeka nti pam no a ana obi a nkwankodi na ti a ana mo nkoko se nwem ho ana wo ka te ne sword no ko ya ono abehu se wo di nkwase asem and there is no need one se wo so besi market na school ho a wo se mi bu school da na to ogu ma bu school na to ogu wo he video ni bi wo dwiri school da na to ogu enti san grofo we Number 1, on education ho say obeko school be bobra da be fa ho. Number 2, wapomudi on fa ho na ofa ho a e ba ne say na ko bu school dan tugu say mbesi market. How possible? How? Me we am obeko central region. One mu dwiri stores. And the stores no say mu dwiri no. The same stores na obesi. Etinyansa ben ne wo mu say obebu stores nkrofo stores ogu. Abesi the same stores. What is essence? Identity stores no. Usi momu bia de wo pese osi ni ntwa ho nhia na dada no so nka ho na no so M1 na nipa no ebi meka ho mo usi say wo de ni wi a dada no ho ewe so sa for new customers and I say new na abe upgrade market no but what dwiri over 500 stores or 2 ABC 400 stores and 300 stores. Does it make sense? Okay. Okusibe they say mayenka mahamasem because oba 50 months ni. Mayenka if it's oba na anu ye no buy I didn't think you can asem what do you adwuma ubebu stores ogu esi store. How what do you adwuma utire osisi sa dwen pa wo mpa ubebu school agu akosi market. How? And so one market here we go see. Then I'm going to know say and confirm dawa nantwie adien pastor wo house to go see wow that na we wo e wo bra wow betimi ayade a te say ayi e hono mo confirm we obetimi si factory bi wo ha o betimi produce so say confirm no hu say for we nsa e 2% ye en confirm so ye hobby ubetime si sa factory ubetime ye en confirm no ho mo ne ade a e be man krofo anya adwuma ye no udi ko stores si wo akobu schools dan ye togu ko central region ye bubu ka so ye lewa ye bubu krofo stores si ye be si en fashion three say store no omu ntimi si nwie omu nkomisi 1 ana we fra bam 1 omu nkom market on the wall. Go say no 2 years ko ontimi si nwie incomplete and omo fra bam and omo wi a all that stores no not single MPP and who are we floating player and a floating voter unye bida. So what is the meaning of this? Now what obi wo party mu or say me de me mpa de pa ma me party nemu me pretend say me na me party parliament party no intimi sorry a me dada mabu na wo party no mu say me na me po masem me na me yele kwakafo me na me nim nyansa nemu wo mu wakoma pa e wo party no mo party na asem no yen says ankrofo na dwenkyere wo mu a omo mabu no na me take lead ndisi me nya de a e wo say me ten na me guo mani mu ase ti otimi sora no pa no apran say na me kodi abro no afre radio because all radio station ti no afre na wo mo so esan say wo mo ti radio no so na konka wo the same radio no fresh no e hwa no kotena ya o ka officials nigga sebe na se eso ni so say you got e hwa wenya the same papa ya wo da so ya na no asom ya ono a na no asom ya no kotena officials nigga sebe na se so ni so di say ai you got as a farmer. Meanwhile, what the Oba so on fast on issue. And Oba bien one as sebi a horn me a fence I can't say. Oh, then can I cheaper. Am I you Obia was our issue no. And so Ujana yere to fee the Ken Quasam today will be back. I didn't hear because we didn't question. I'm a fresh was not no. O twam tro san kana difference is we din tro na nyane Tracy Boache ti baby on kan no onye ne hwe na ban na wo so nti wotimi sore ye ka che say Tracy Boache no fo ase kankan onene na adawo tesene no fo so nti no na dwini mu no. Look at we ana nkrofo se oyo mentor oya agenkwa onu nim nyansa so hu se wa school ne gbotu egu no so besi no na tie kwase asem oni pa de sani se hospital so ni mfaso en say you obi a na the same hospitals no so hu na oba ya obeka nkwasem you the same hospitals na MPP for press incomplete no ana odi ne jimi ba won te be keke kwasem no see and clear ntum. We should shut up because you are transfer 8 years. See, and me and completed ya. You knew who can. Yes, woman to me and completed for 8 years. No, until I Ghana for say yes, my yard. Monko, and Ghana for Pamon. Nafe, almost so banesi. Amonko, and Monko to us no mumia, wink at the bunny. Now, why one no some said the old daddy be a young. why are no some say upon Chibema? Well, do one who are pum oh, him here, Joseph. He can't see who if we are named Yanko say, or no dog and Antino, yeah, then me video be, yeah, or say Kennedy, yeah, good MPP. Oh, one more bo. Then what's your phone? One with the motive behind say Kennedy now made the party in the party in collapse. And does it make sense? Party no Kennedy no am the any munti. Omumpa ebo nyina omutiri mpo na say MPP